How to use Allianz Disability Insurance France properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Allianz Disability Insurance in France is designed to replace part of your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. But many people make costly mistakes that can reduce coverage or even lead to claim denial. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is they are not. A common mistake is misunderstanding the policy's definition of disability. Some Allianz plans cover only your own occupation, while others require you to be unable to work in any occupation. Choosing the wrong option could leave you underprotected if your illness or injury affects only your current role. Ignoring the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the time you must wait before benefits start. Longer waiting periods lower premiums but leave you financially exposed, while shorter waiting periods cost more but provide faster support. It's essential to align this period with your savings and monthly expenses. Underestimating the benefit amount is another trap. Your coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial commitments. Selecting too low a benefit may save money on premiums, but could leave you vulnerable if a serious illness or injury occurs. Skipping optional riders is also a mistake. Allianz offers riders such as residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these can limit flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. Allianz requires full transparency during both application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details can delay or even deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, Allianz Disability Insurance France can provide strong, reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability. Select the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to safeguard your financial future.